The Constitution confers the following rights and privileges on the citizen of India, and denies the same to aliens. First, right against discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth, Article 15. Second, right to equality of opportunity in the matter of public employment, Article 16. Third, right to freedom of speech and expression, assembly, association, movement, residence and profession, Article 19. Fourth, cultural and educational rights, Articles 29 and 30. Fifth, right to vote in elections to the Lok Sabha and State Legislative Assembly. Sixth, right to contest for the membership of the Parliament and the state legislature. Seventh, eligibility to hold certain public offices, that is, President of India, Vice President of India, Judges of the Supreme Court and the High Courts, Governor of States, Attorney General of India and Advocate General of States.